Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to hook up a Garmin GTM21 traffic receiver to a Garmin 850 GPS, Nuvi 850. So I have a Garmin Nuvi 850 and I have a Garmin GTM21 cable. So here's how we do it. First, we remove, this is a brand new cable, so we have to remove this packaging like that, and it's telling you about where and about the information, the traffic cable for Europe and France and whatnot. Alright, so now we will show you how to do this. Notice the cable, one side is has no marking, the other side has an arrow. The side with an arrow aligns to the back of this unit, like this, like that. Okay, now if you try to plug this in reverse, it's not going to go in. You have to put it this way. Now again, this is a GTM21 cable with a Garmin 850 base. Okay, then what you do is you insert this here with these notches first, and then you slide the top second, like that. So now we have a traffic receiver attached to a Garmin unit. Thank you for watching.